Hello everyone, in this video we will see angle between a radius vector and tangent. So here we need to prove tan pi is equals to r into d theta divided by dr or cot pi is equals to 1 divided by r into dr divided by d theta. So to prove this result, first we should know some points. In that, first one, what is mean by polar curve? So here let r is the distance from O to P and theta is angle between a radius vector and initial line. So here let r be the distance from, suppose if I consider this as point P, let r is the distance from this origin to this point P, and this theta is angle between this radius vector and this initial line. Then this curve, then this curve r is equals to f of theta. We are going to call it as what here? Polar curve. Next we should know triangle property. What is the triangle property? Exterior angle is equals to sum of its two opposite interior angle. Next we should know relationship between a Cartesian and a polar coordinates, that is x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. These two are called the relationship between a Cartesian and polar coordinates. Next, in trigonometry there is a unit called compound angle. In that there is a formula, that is tan a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This formula we should know. After that, in application of differentiation, slope of tangent formula is going to come. So what is that slope of tangent formula? Tan theta is equals to dy divided by dx. Next, in a differentiation chapter, one point comes here, parametric equation formula. What is that parametric equation formula? Dy divided by dx is equals to dy divided by d theta upon dx divided by d theta. Again, this formula also we are going to use while doing that derivation. And also we should know multiplication rule in differentiation. What is that multiplication rule in differentiation? In the function here, if two function comes, in between two function, if multiplication sign is there, then dy divided by dx rule is first function as it is, differentiation of second function plus second function as it is into differentiation of first function. So this is multiplication rule in differentiation. So if you want to prove this result, these are the points we should remember. So first here consider the polar curve. So here I am going to consider one polar curve. So that is r is equals to f of theta. R is equals to f of theta. So next, let p in bracket r comma theta be any point on the curve while r is equals to f of theta. Let this point, that is p in bracket r comma theta, be any point on that curve. Let O be the origin. So let this is the O be the origin. Join OP distance. Next we need to join this OP distance. OP distance. And call as radius vector, and it is denoted by R. So this OP distance is nothing but radius vector, and this we are going to call it as R. Next, draw tangent line to the curve at the point P. Next we need to draw tangent line. So this is the tangent line. This is the tangent line. Okay, so this is the tangent line to the curve at the point P, to the curve at the point P, making an angle psi. So here it makes an angle what here psi. Next, pi is the angle between a radius vector and tangent line. So this is the pi is the angle between a radius vector and tangent line. So this is tangent line. So if it is pi, and this angle also becomes what here pi. Next, theta is an angle between a radius vector and initial line. Next, this is the angle theta. So this is angle theta. So this is the angle between radius vector and this is what we call it as initial line. Initial line. Okay. Therefore, now from the figure. So if you observe the figure here, therefore here we will write from figure, so we can observe this exterior angle. Psi is the exterior angle. This exterior angle is equals to the sum of opposite interior angle. Okay, so this psi, this angle psi, that is the exterior angle, is equals to the sum of its two opposite interior angle. Opposite interior angle, that can be written as psi is equals to theta plus pi. Psi is equals to theta plus pi. So this is exterior angle which is equals to sum of two opposite interior angle. So after this, here we are going to apply tan both the side. We are going to apply tan both the side. Then it becomes tan psi is equals to tan theta plus pi. Once we apply tan both the side, next you can see in right hand side this looks like tan a plus b. So here trigonometric compound angle formula we are going to use. What is that? Tan a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Remember, a means theta, b means what here pi. Therefore tan psi is equals to tan theta plus tan pi divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan pi. So this equation I am going to call it as what? Equation number 1. Now we are going to apply relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. So now we are going to apply, we know that the relation between Cartesian and polar coordinate is x is equals to r into cos theta and y is equals to r into sin theta. So these two are what? Relationship between Cartesian and polar coordinates. Now what I am going to do is I am going to differentiate these two equations with respect to theta. So x differentiation with respect to theta is dx divided by d theta is equals to, here I am going to apply the multiplication rule. What is that multiplication rule? First function as it is, differentiation of second function, that is cos theta, middle plus sine, then cos theta second function as it is, differentiation of r with respect to what here? Theta. Therefore it is dr divided by d theta. Therefore dx divided by d theta is equals to r into cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta plus cos theta into dr divided by d theta, I am going to keep it as it is. Therefore dx divided by d theta is equals to, so this is minus r into sine theta plus cos theta into dr divided by d theta. So we can write it like dx divided by d theta is equals to, first I am going to write what, cos theta into dr divided by d theta minus r into sine theta. Similarly, that second equation I am going to take. What is that second equation? Y is equals to r into sine theta. Similarly, differentiate this with respect to theta. With respect to theta, y differentiation with respect to theta is dy divided by d theta is equals to, again apply multiplication rule in differentiation, that is r as it is differentiation of sine theta with respect to theta plus sine theta as it is, next differentiation of r with respect to what here, theta. Therefore which is equals to dy divided by d theta is equals to r into sine theta differentiation is cos theta plus sine theta into dr divided by d theta, keep it as it is, dr divided by d theta, keep it as it is. Now rewrite this equation. Therefore dy divided by d theta is equals to, first I am going to write sine theta into dr divided by d theta plus, next I am going to write r into cos theta. Now slope of tangent, slope of tangent line, slope of tangent, tan psi is given by dy divided by dx, dy divided by dx, already I told you. So here in application of differentiation, slope of tangent is given by tan theta is equals to dy by dx. Here angle is psi, so tan psi is equals to dy divided by dx. Also we know parametric equation formula is what, dy divided by dx is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta. Therefore tan psi, I am going to keep it as it is, dy by dx can be written as dy divided by d theta upon dx divided by d theta. So we know this result, dy divided by d theta, and this is dx divided by d theta. Here I am going to substitute. Therefore tan psi is equals to dy divided by d theta is sine theta into dr divided by d theta plus r cos theta divided by dx divided by d theta is cos theta into dr divided by d theta minus r sin theta. Okay, so after substituting dy by d theta and dx divided by d theta, we are going to compare this equation with equation number 1. We can see in equation number 1, here in the denominator first term is 1, so here also in the first term we should get 1. That's why what I am going to do, this entire expression I am going to divide by cos theta into dr by d theta. Therefore dividing by cos theta into dr divided by d theta. Therefore tan psi is equals to divide. Therefore sin theta into dr divided by d theta divided by cos theta into dr divided by d theta. Next plus r cos theta divided by, again cos theta into dr divided by d theta divided by, next cos theta into dr divided by d theta divided by, again cos theta into dr divided by d theta. Okay, and next minus r into sin theta divided by, again divide by cos theta into dr divided by d theta. So every term we need to divide by cos theta into dr by d theta. So that time cancel these two. Again here cos and cos, and here also cos theta into dr by d theta, cos theta into dr by d theta is going to get cancelled. Therefore now tan psi is equals to, sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. In trigonometry there is a formula, sin theta divided by cos theta is equals to what here, tan theta, plus next here remaining value is r divided by what, dr divided by d theta, dr divided by d theta upon these two are going to get cancelled, remaining value is 1 minus here sin divided by cos is tan theta into what is the remaining value, r divided by what, dr divided by d theta, dr divided by d theta. This I am going to call equation number 2. Now I am going to compare equation 2 with equation number 1. So we can see here in place of tan theta there is a tan theta, again here also tan theta in place of 1, again here also 1, but we can observe here in place of tan pi, in place of tan pi what is here, r divided by dr by d theta. Therefore by comparing equation 1 and equation 2, so what we can observe here, tan pi is equals to r divided by dr divided by d theta. So here take the reciprocal, therefore if I take the reciprocal, tan pi is equals to, this is r into, if I take this to the numerator, dr by d theta becomes what, d theta divided by dr. Okay, or if I take the reciprocal of tan, we know tan theta into cot theta value is always 1. So if I take the reciprocal of tan reciprocal is what here, cot pi is equals to, similarly in right hand side also r reciprocal, reverse of r is what, 1 divided by r, and the reverse of d theta divided by dr is what, dr divided by d theta. So this result only we need to prove. Thank you.